Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, spoke the law for what flows unseen. These are the words for bodily discharge, to tell what is clean and unclean. If a man has a discharge from his body, his discharge makes him unclean. Whether the flow continues or stops, the uncleanness remains the same. Every bed on which he lies is unclean. Every object he sits upon is unclean. Whoever touches his bed shall wash his clothes and bathe in water, and be unclean until evening.
Whoever sits where he sat shall wash,
and be unclean until evening.
Whoever touches his body shall wash,
and be unclean until evening. Marked by time,
washed and known,
the Lord decides
what stands alone.
If the man with the discharge spits on one who is clean, that one shall wash his clothes, bathe in water, and be unclean until evening. And he sadly rise upon his unclean. Whoever touches what was under him shall be unclean until evening. If he touches someone without washing his hands, that person shall wash and be unclean.
Contact counts, nothing small.
Holiness reaches through it all. When the one with the discharge is healed, he shall count 7 days for cleansing.
He shall wash his clothes,
bathe his body in fresh water,
and he shall be clean.
On the 8th day he shall take 2 turtle doves or pigeons and bring them before the Lord. At the entrance of the tent of meeting, the priest shall offer one for a sin offering and one for a burnt offering. The priest shall make atonement for him before the Lord for his discharge.
Count the days,
draw near again,
the way restored
by what he said. If a man has an emission of semen, he shall bathe his whole body in water and be unclean until evening. Every garment or skin touched by it shall be washed and be unclean. If a man lies with a woman and there is an emission, both shall bathe in water and be unclean until evening. Even here
the law is sure,
nothing hidden
from what is pure.
If a woman has a discharge and the discharge is blood, she shall be in her impurity 7 days. Whoever touches her shall be unclean until evening, until evening. Everything she lies on
becomes unclean.
Everything she sits on
becomes unclean.
Whoever touches these things shall wash and be unclean until evening.
Days are counted,
time is known. The Lord sets order over flesh and bone. If a man lies with her during her impurity, her uncleanness comes upon him. He shall be unclean 7 days, and every bed he lies on is unclean. If a woman has a discharge of blood many days beyond her time, or a flow outside her cycle, she shall be unclean as in her impurity. Long or short, seen or slow, the Lord knows what flow. When she is cleansed of her discharge, she shall count 7 days. Afterwards she shall be clean. On the 8th day she shall take 2 turtle doves or pigeons and bring them to the priest. At the entrance of the tent of meeting, the priest shall offer one for a sin offering and one for a burnt offering. The priest shall make atonement for her before the Lord, for her uncleanness atonement made,
the way restored,
clean again before the Lord. Thus you shall keep the people of Israel separate from their uncleanness, lest they die in their uncleanness by defiling my tabernacle that is in their midst. This is the law for flow and flesh, for what is touched, for what is kept. The Lord has spoken, the line is clear, clean and unclean. are ordered here.